Christmas, everybody.
Next time we're gonna make vanilla cupcakes.
Vanilla cupcakes. I thought you wanted to make a mango cake.
I do. Let's make that for summer.
Mango cake in summer?
Yeah, we're gonna make vanilla cupcakes for winter. Bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I hope you get presents. Bye. Bye.
Pretty good.
So good. So good. Let's say cheers. Cheers.